Right, we're going to police headquarters to get a certificate. This is my third certificate from the police for my help and assistance.
I've been to the other headquarters. I told you here.
All right, calm down, calm down. I took it to the wrong place. My bad. So we'll go and get the certificate, guys, and I'll show you it. If we get it, they might have ripped it up by now because I forgot. See, got it wrong again, guys. That's the jail where we just went, and this is the police headquarters. This is where the certificates were given out when they had their presentation. I couldn't attend, so they've kept the certificate and said, you know, come back for it, and I forgot. So it's like maybe 2 months later and I've come back.
If you will get police
what's it called? Wait, can we have something before I die of heat stroke?
Sorry, a moment, please.
This sergeant's helping us. I mean, it's been that long now, nobody's probably going to know. It's okay. I mean, it's my bad again. I was meaning to, and it's funny how police clearance, yeah. When I go on my walk, I pass this place every day and didn't think of calling in for the certificate. Anyway, we're going to show you Plaza in a minute, guys. It's the Penafrancia in another 3 days. We want to show you the practicing now. They were doing it this morning, but I'm not sure because of the heat. They're probably not practicing anymore.
Now. They are practicing now. If you did not get the certificate, you can contact the one who contacted you.
Yeah, the lieutenant.
Yeah.
Yeah.
Just ask where the.
It's okay. It's okay.
You can claim it.
We're going to show you them practicing and the streets before they all get closed off. See you in a minute. Well, they can't find my certificate, guys. I'm gutted. That'll be my third certificate. The other ones, they're both in frames, but I've not really got anywhere on the wall to put them.
We can look to the tourist office.
So we're going to the tourist office, and then we're going to show you Plaza and give you an idea what's going to happen when the Penafrancia starts. It's mayhem here, guys. You can't move. For people that come from all over the Philippines to this Penafrancia, the hotels, I would encourage you to come, but whether you'll get a hotel is pretty you are, babe?
The camera is in front.
No, it's all right. They want to see me, not you. Pretty much unlikely you'll get a hotel room now, and they always tend to put the hotel prices up when there's any special occasion, guys, so it will be a little bit more than you'd pay normal. So we're just going to go to see the tourist police, see if they've got any idea about the certificate. Again, if they can't find it, it's my bad. You know, it's one of them things, but I would like it.
What's that color?
What?
In UK they put like that, no?
Garlands. Yeah, they put the garlands up. This road will be shut off, this road will be shut off. Yeah. Round there the road's shut off. The road up to, right up to the roundabout past SM, will be closed too.
It's gonna be crowded people.
Yeah, it's gonna, oh, it's massive, guys. It's massive. We love it. It was a shame that during the lockdowns, obviously there was no festival. We'll go this way, babe. So we're just going to go to the tourist police office, see if they can shed a light on anything. It might even be there, to be honest, because I normally pop my head round the corner to say hi. So there's no practice because it's too hot. I said to my wife, we come back this afternoon, it's going to be too hot, there's going to be no practice. What can I say, guys?
We'll do it tomorrow when we walk.
So we've just been in to see the tourist police to ask about my Penafrancia pass, because I need it, because last year, unlike a year or so before, I wasn't allowed to go in. Normally I was allowed to go in, they didn't stop me, but they're very strict now, and rightly so. I mean, I'm not expecting any special treatment. So
Let's go there, the picture.
So tomorrow we're going to come back when they're just practicing again. So all this road's going to be closed off all the way round here, totally closed off to traffic, and up there towards SM. What, babe?
The performer we're gonna go.
The what?
The performer.
The performer. The performers are going to be here. All the majorettes and the bands, they come down there, and then they come round here, and then they'll come through here and perform here in front of the mayor and other high up officials. You can see the stage is lovely. It's all set. Now, people keep asking me, Chris, what's it about Naga that you love? And it's this kind of thing. Apart from maybe Cebu, this is one of the biggest.
In Naga.
This is one of the biggest events in Naga.
Yeah.
And it's just amazing. You'll not be able to move for people. That's why I need a pass, so I can get onto the road, and I haven't got to go around the pavements because you just can't get round.
It's gonna be crowded.
And
it's a lot of people.
You've got to be careful and not bring a wallet, because you'll probably get your money lifted.
Yeah.
So that's something else, guys. If you come to an event like this, please make sure you have an inside pocket, not an outside pocket. If you haven't got one, just go into the people's mall, and they'll stitch you a pocket inside your trousers. I know, because I've had it done, and it's cheap. It was only about 100 pesos, something like that. So I'll finish this video off tomorrow. We'll come and just give you a look at them practicing.
Yeah.
And that'll be the video. It was just going to be a quick video.
Now it's not hot. I don't know why.
No, because yesterday afternoon, guys, it was around this time and they were practicing, but it has been hot, but the sun's gone in a bit. I think it's going to rain if you have a look. So we'll see it'll be tomorrow, but it'll be in a minute. So in a snap of the fingers, we're here next day, and practicing. There's a load of kids just walked off. Here we are. We're 3 days away from the Penafrancia.
Yeah, and tomorrow, guys, it's a Penafrancia translation procession.
Tomorrow?
Yeah, tomorrow. It's Friday.
7th.
8th. 7th now. Tomorrow
is it?
8th.
Right,
yeah,
okay.
it's a translation.
Right, I give in.
So I asked Chris, guys, if he gonna do a video on translation, and he said no. But I said to him, we can walk around because there's a lot of people there.
Every time I've done a video on translation, nobody watches
because
it. They're not interested.
It's religious, right?
And the feedback's not very good. They don't like it. So I will do the processions, you know, that kind of thing. It looks like the military's been suspended.
Yeah.
Yeah?
I think so, yes. So we have a schedule for the parade next week. September 9, Saturday, it's a CTP BRRM MAPE parade. That's what they're doing. It's a MAPE. And then September 13, Wednesday, Regional Scout Parade, DBC and DXMC exhibition and mass dance competition. And September 14, Thursday, Civic Parade and float competition. And September 16, Saturday, fluvial procession. And September 18, Monday, post Penafrancia Festival. That's it.
That's it.
Yeah.
There you go. They're gonna close all these roads off.
Yes.
Tomorrow. There'll be no traffic coming around here. There'll be just people walking around.
No classes as well, private or public.
Yeah, no school. All the kids are off.
Yeah, it's only here in Naga. All school in Naga.
My God. They're never at school, babe.
It's very hot, guys.
It is burning hot. I don't normally have an umbrella, but I'm getting under the umbrella because it's so hot. So get yourself down to Naga, guys, if you're not too far away, obviously, and just take all the Penafrancia in. It's amazing. It's absolutely amazing.
Yeah, it's gonna be
You'll love it.
there.
There's lots to do, there's lots to see. Get down here, guys.
And
So,
our kids as well gonna do a birthday, 14 and 15.
yeah, my little babies are older on the 14th and 15th. My daughter's 5 and my son is 6.
Yes.
15th and 14th, so they're like a day behind each other, so we can just do one birthday party.
Yeah. So we save money. We save money, right?
Yeah, so I hope to see you at the Penafrancia, guys.
Yeah.
If you come down, I'll be up and about. We're gonna try and get a pass. The next one, guys.
Please hit the like button and please subscribe and share our video. Bye, guys.
Bye bye.
Shout out to Kiran and Daz.
Kieran,
Thank you,
Daz,
guys.
and
Daz.
Don,
Don and
Don.
Aaron.
Aaron,
Thank you, guys.
and Ronald,
Yeah.
and Simon,
Simon and Maria, hello.
and Maria,
And
and,
shout out also to Dennis.
and Rick. Hi, Rick. Thank you to everybody. Thank you to all my friends. Thank you to all my subscribers. We love you. I mean, I know this happens on a lot of blogs, but we really do. Thanks for your support. Thanks very, very, very
See
much.
you on the next video, guys.
Bye bye.
Thanks to the following members and Patreons for their amazing support: Aaron, Robert Cole, Dr. Philippines, Slacker, Ninth House Aries, John Donachi, Zark Alfrey, Kingsley, Dazlox, Michael Hildebrand, Killer Grub with Mark Bagley, Romeo Roma Santa, Nathan Massengill, Emmanuel Sen Pascual, Arthur Gregory, M. Kitchen Baker, Steve Dornbos, Paulo Svensson, Jim Alvire, Scott Slavin, The Professor, Didas Jornales, Wade, Robert Bull, Anthony Neal, Michael McFarland, George Andrews, Mira D, Simon Kennedy, Kennedy Supergirls, Simply Monks, Rick's Destination Cebu, Brian Dawson, Albar Jitch, Stephen Baxter, Ed from Queens, A Brit's Philippines Destination. Big thanks to all of you.